Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's GT Patrick, and in today's video I'll be talking about the faceless monetization, how you are going to go about it, all you need to know, and how you are going to start it. Alright, so if you're joining me for the first time, I make videos on how you can make money online for free without getting to sell anything or buy anything online. So if this is what you find interesting, kindly click on the subscribe button of this video, like and share this content to your friends and family on social media, so that they can also partake from it. And also don't forget to hit on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post videos like this. Alright, so I have my phone right here with me. This is the device I'm going to be using to explain all of this to you. So I'm going to turn on my screen so that you can actually see it and see what I'm currently doing right now and everything I'm currently on my screen. Now this is the ChatGPT. I'll be leaving a link of this tool in the description of this video, where you can go over there, sign up for this tool, and follow all my steps that I'm going to be showing you on other upcoming videos, because this is part of the tool I'm going to use. This is the tool I'm going to use to explain the faceless monetization to you today. And you can see on my screen that I asked ChatGPT what faceless monetization is, and ChatGPT has given me all of the breakdowns. Now I'm going to explain everything one by one to you, breaking everything down that ChatGPT has already done. Now, what is faceless monetization? Faceless monetization means earning money online without showing your face or personally appearing in your content. Now, you can make money online creating different contents, just as I'm doing right now, but currently you can see me on the camera directly, but what you'll be doing is you don't need to appear on the camera for this. You are not showing your face at all. So some people will ask, how am I going to do all of this without me showing my face? How am I going to create content for people to actually view or engage in without me showing my face on them? Now, there's no worries. I'm going to explain that to you and how you can go with that. Now, instead of you being the brand or being the person on the camera, just like you can see me right here, what you use is the AI voices. You use stock videos, use animation, use slideshows, use AI images, use text-based content, use characters or avatars, use voiceovers, use anonymous storytelling. Now let me explain this part to you. Instead of you appearing on camera just like this, you can use AI voices, okay, to narrate a story. You can do stock videos, okay, like you can create animation, you can animate different videos and create a story about that animation, what the animation is actually talking about, and animate whatever you are saying using different characters, okay. You can animate different characters and put in a voiceover to show what you are actually saying in those animations with that voiceover. And as the voiceover is going, the animations are actually showing you a visual expression of what you're talking about. So without you coming online on camera, so that's what I'm trying to explain to you in this video. Now, in other words, you are the unseen architect behind the scenes, shaping content while staying comfortably invisible. Alright, so you are the architect behind the scene. Okay, you are the one actually creating this stuff, but they actually don't know you. They haven't seen your face at all, but you are the one actually creating this content behind the scene. You are creating this content using voiceovers and AIs and different anonymous storytelling, AI images, slideshows, and animations. Okay, so that's just what you are doing without you showing your face. Now, people love faceless monetization. Why do people love faceless monetization? This is the total explanation you can see on my screen. Number one is privacy. No one knows you. Now, it doesn't matter who you are, your color, your race, where you come from. Nobody knows you actually on the channel you are on, okay, or what you are doing, or that particular video you put, or that particular content you did. Nobody actually knows who you are. Nobody knows you at all. So that's one thing. You have a very good privacy on the faceless monetization. Now, the second one is scalability. Can be automated and outsourced. Okay, you can decide to automate your content, okay, by actually doing all these animations and all of that, and you can outsource them, which is you can go over to different platforms, different tools, and bring your own different ideas from there and join it into one, create it to your own idea and put in your own efforts, your own discovery, your own, just try to be creative in your own way. That's what it means. Now, another thing is no camera anxiety. You don't need to look perfect every 24 hours of the day. So you don't need to look perfect before you start the faceless monetization niche. Okay, you don't need to appear on camera that you need to do a lot of makeup, a lot of dressing of background and all of that. Currently you're seeing me on my screen. Some people will like, I'm too shy. I can't appear like this on screen. I need to do some makeup. I need to do some changing my hair and all of that. But you are not doing all of this. You don't have time for all of this, okay? Because everything is actually faceless, okay? You are not appearing on camera, so this is going to save you more profitable time for yourself. Okay, so no anxiety, camera stuff and all of that. I need a good camera. I need to get a good device. I need to get a good machine. You don't need all of that on the faceless monetization. So that's a very good thing. So another thing again is profitable. Okay, many faceless Chinese earn thousands in a month. Okay, every month a lot of faceless Chinese who earns a lot of money every month creating faceless content. Their faces aren't showing in these videos, okay? They're actually using different automation processes, different animations and all of that, creating all of this content for viewers to get entertained and get educated from them without them showing their faces on camera, and they earn a lot of money from it every single month. So that's why it's very profitable and I want you all to try it. Now, there are some examples for you right here that ChatGPT has listed for me. I'm going to explain them to you more and more. Now, the first platform you can use for the faceless monetization is YouTube. And the faceless style you'll be doing on YouTube in order for you to get monetized for this is storytelling videos, tutorials, and animations. Now, you can create different videos. Okay, you can create different videos, different stories of different topics, on different animations, just like that, and post all of this on YouTube without you showing your faces, do some editing, some animations and all of that without you showing your faces, and post it on your YouTube channel, that's your faceless YouTube channel. You upload it there and you are going to get paid. How do you get paid? How the money comes in? The money comes in from your adverts, from sponsorships and affiliate links. Now, when you are watching a video on YouTube, when it gets to a point, you see some adverts pop up on the screen. You need to wait for some seconds for the advert to go through before you continue with the video. So these adverts are actually what the YouTube use in paying all of those monetized. So once you are on YouTube and you create a faceless channel like this and start making storytelling videos or tutorials or doing animations, faceless animations, just like that, on different topics, either food, stories, and whatever, daily life, all of that, how to do this, how to do that, whatever tutorial you like, and you get monetized. As soon as you get monetized, they're going to start giving you ads. Okay, they're going to start giving you ads on your videos, meaning that these ads are going to support your channel in earning money. Okay, these adverts, this sponsorship and affiliate links. Now, there are going to be some affiliate links for you when you get monetized, and these affiliate links are actually links that when people watch your video and this affiliate links pops up, okay, or this advert pops up, you are going to earn money from those. That's what it means. And you can see the other ones here listed are TikTok and Reels, blogs, Pinterest, and Instagram. So there are a lot of platforms you can do this faceless monetization on, not only YouTube alone. But we are going to talk more about YouTube because we are basically focused on YouTube. So it's the YouTube we are talking about, YouTube faceless monetization, how to get monetized on YouTube without showing your face. That's what we are talking about today. Now, there's a simple breakdown here. What you need to do is you provide a valuable or entertaining content for people to watch. Okay, so always have something entertaining or valuable or educating that you want to show to people, that you want people to view, you want people to watch it, you want people to like get entertained from it, learn something from it. That's what you are going to be doing. Okay, and the platforms are going to pay you. Okay, different brands are going to pay you as people watch all of these videos and view all of these and like all of these, comment on all of this content that you are creating. The platform is going to pay you. Different brands are going to come in and they are going to pay you for those. And while your face remains mysteriously absent, so your face are totally absent from all of this content, your face are not visible to the audience, those that are watching you. They are only seeing the voiceover, hearing the voiceover, the animation, seeing the animations you are doing, hearing the voiceovers that you are putting into this content. That's the only thing that they are actually saying that is getting them entertained, and that's the only thing that's bringing the money into you. Okay, this content that people are watching and viewing and getting entertained, those are what actually gives you the money. Now, think of it like being a voice in a storybook rather than the person on the stage. Be powerful, quiet, and strategic. What does this mean? It means like, for example, just imagine like you're telling a story about something, or maybe about an event, and you are actually not the one on the video, you're not the one on the camera, but it's your voice. Okay, your voice is actually narrating a story or an educative material or an actual tutorial, but your face is not on the camera. Okay, instead what they are saying are different animations describing what you are actually saying on those voiceovers. Okay, those are the things you are doing on these channels that are getting you paid and monetized for. So all these are the things I'm going to be showing you right here on this channel. So if you are watching to this very moment, please kindly hit on the subscribe button of this channel, like and share this video to your friends and family so that they can also join us and partake in this amazing approach. And also don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Alright, you can see now ChatGPT has given me a lot of different stuff that I can ask, and it's going to give me all of that, but I'm not going to ask them. Instead, I'm going to explain them more for you. Now, I'm going to show you the best faceless niches you are going to try. Very different type of niches. There are different type of niches. There are the cooking niches. There are the folk African moonlight and folktale niches. There are the educational niches. There are different type of niches. There are the fashion niche. A lot of niches are there for you to try on this faceless monetization, and I'm also going to show you how to create all of these scripts for your faceless monetization. If it is storytelling, if it's educational, if it's how to do tutorials, all of that, I'm going to show you how to get all of these scripts that you can generate and use voiceovers and all of that, and also how to generate the banners, the titles, and the tags for your channel. I'm going to show you all of this, the kind of tags you are going to use that's going to promote that video for you to get views and engagement. I'm going to show you all of that. I'm going to show you the kind of banners you are going to be generating for your content and the kind of titles you will be titling that are going to hit more audience and more clickable, all of that. I'm going to show you all of that. And also ready to use video thumbnails and templates, how you can create your thumbnail for people to get attracted to what you're actually showing them. I'm going to show you all of this on this channel. So kindly hit on the subscribe button of this channel, like and share this video to your friends and family. If you don't understand anything, use the comment section, comment what you don't understand, and I will meet you there in the comment section and explain more further to you on the comments and on other previous upcoming videos that are coming. Okay, on other videos, upcoming videos, sorry, that are coming, I'm going to explain more on that to you. Alright, so that's how it is on the faceless monetization. All you need to know about it, how to understand what faceless monetization means and why it is so important for us in 2025 workspace. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. Alright, so to the next one, guys, I'm going to see you all. Peace out.